In most learning and development programs for leadership, the focus is solely on delivering content to participants, and this traditional approach typically does not change behaviors. What does drive change and improve leadership skills is taking that expert content and pairing it with honest discussion among peers, reflecting on, sharing, and making sense of their meaningful daily experiences. This is exactly what our discussion guides or modules are about. Groups of 4 to 6 peers sharing experiences and learning from each other for 90 minutes. I'm going to drive you through a few pages of our accountability module to show you how our methodology works. Almost all our discussion guides begin with some type of reflection. In this case, we have everyone spend a few minutes writing down a situation where you had trouble with a colleague being accountable, what you think went wrong, and what you did. Then each person takes a minute or two to share with the group. On the next page, we get the elephant out of the room. When we say we want people to be held accountable, do we really mean we want someone to blame? Discuss. Can you think of a time when someone was unfairly blamed for not achieving a result? How should accountability have worked in this case? And now discuss for you the difference between accountability and blame. There's no right or wrong answer to this question. It's simply the starting point of a discussion. And in order to answer these questions, the participants have to reflect on experiences they've lived. Next, we'll introduce some key principles of accountability: clarity, the right situation, the right person. On the following page, we'll explore the definition of clarity in a very simple manner prior to asking this key question at the bottom of the page. Was lack of clarity part of the problem in the experience you shared earlier where accountability went wrong? This is foundational to the Coaching Ourselves approach. The participant is now using the content as a lens to view their own experience in a new light. And the next time they're going to hold someone accountable or be held accountable, they're going to have a much different perspective on what needs to happen to make it a successful encounter. We then continue this methodology throughout the 90-minute learning journey, culminating in actions that participants can take to improve themselves, their teams, and their organization. At Coaching Ourselves, we have over 90 discussion guides for all levels in organizations, which can be facilitated or used completely self-directed. To learn more, send an email to me at warren@coachingourselves.com, and I'll be happy to share other discussion guides and pricing.